Hey, hey, hey.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited. Now gonna get to clapping. Now pop it for a player, pop it for me.
What?
Turn around and drop it for a player, drop it for me.
What's up, Bomb Squad? This DC Kool-Aid. Look like I don't have no hair, but it's because my car is dark and my head is blending in with the darkness. Today, I am headed out to the air show practice day. My sister, you know, she's a vet, so she get on the base. So we get to go early on the first day before the people outside world come in. So I'm headed to Maryland, to Andrews Air Force Base, because it's the weekend that they are having the air show. And I normally go when it's the midst of everybody outside, but I have my spot. But my sisters was like, well, they practicing today. I've been up since 6 a.m. guys. And driving towards Maryland to the air show. So I'm gonna take you guys there so y'all can see what it is and what they do. Hit that like button, share and subscribe. Please hit that like button, share and subscribe. And hit that notification bell. Make it go bing, you know, with the two little, so you can see that we go live or we do videos and get posts. A lot of you guys don't have the notification bell run, and you always miss it and say, I'm here for it the next day or two. But anyway, it don't matter as long as you came and watched us. But hit that like button though. I'll be back when I get with my sister, the real sister. Gotta go. Speak time. I had to make a stop. I'm at McDonald's, y'all. I decided to give me 2 breakfast burritos and a small caramel macchiato. One of them drinks Lisa drinks. I kind of like those. They alright. It's not Starbucks, but it's just something to get me going in the morning. So I'm on my way to make a payment at the first window. Alright, so guys, everything I spent good, $5 and some change. The lady told me 500. I had to laugh. So I got me a small one. It's a caramel macchiato. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. There you go. It smells good. And I got 2 breakfast burritos. So I'm gonna eat that. It's gonna take me at least 45 minutes to get to my sister's house from here, because she's further down than my dad. So I'm and it's actually like 58 degrees. 58 degrees, it's cold. But it's supposed to get up to 80 something, 80, 90, close to 90. I don't know, but I'll let y'all know it's 58 degrees right now. That's why I got on a thin jacket. And so I'm headed there now. And then once I get there, we're gonna go to the air show, the practice day. The practice day is like the real day. So, all right, we see y'all in a little bit. We are entering the Andrews Air Force Base, guys. I already told y'all in the beginning, so I'm back. They got nice flags. Okay. I ain't never been on this base before. This is my first time on this base. But I've been on the other base, Bowling Air Force Base. The one in DC. This is the one in Maryland. They not far from each other. But this is the one where the president come at. Oh. Okay. The camera's better to use though. So I told Lisa I want a new camera for Christmas. Alright guys, I am on a bus. Me and the real sisters on a bus. We ain't on no bus. We is on a bus, y'all. She said hi. So we on the bus to go to the what is that? The land, the air, the what they call that? The strip. Alright, so we are at the air show.
Reserve, civilians, and contractors all working together. We
laid it on the grounds.
An intricate part of what makes the Air Force.
Let's go walk in that thing. That look easy to walk in.
I would like to
there you go.
Serving as the presenting sponsor for this weekend. I would also like to thank
Man. I know I'm gonna need something to drink. You know, went past. right, we gonna go in there, y'all. Yeah. That's crazy. At Andrews Air Force Base with all these planes and jets, and y'all gonna see more stuff to come. We got off that bus though, that was weird. That was weird. See, they got all the planes. I'm gonna show y'all some more planes and jets. Look at this, y'all. Can you picture yourself in there? You be talking to somebody that's wearing these uniforms.
Again, you're getting a little bit of a taste of what we're going to be doing this weekend. You'll definitely want to be here for both exciting days.
Flying Fortress.
Bombs delivered on target from the B-17 Flying Fortress.
Guys, we are sitting here. Somebody tell me where some earplugs. That thing was loud. When I say loud, loud. I think I lost hearing in both ears now.
Ladies and gentlemen, what did you think of the F-35? Wow!
And that was a lady flying that. I told her real sister, I'm jealous, so I'm gonna fly. I'm scared to get an airplane, y'all.
But wow, it's loud.
But I want to get up in the airplane and fly like that.
Absolutely amazing.
I have control of it if I fly.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are just getting things warmed up for an incredible weekend here at the Joint Base Andrews Aerospace Expo 2022.
Got me a
Being presented this
icy
weekend by
lemonade,
Andrews
icy
Federal
frozen
Credit
lemonade.
Union. So much to see and do. you think you know how to fly that plane? Well, so far it's not a very good one. Oh my gosh, point that nose down just a little bit.
I got a problem with my brake pedal and my gas pedal.
Brake pedals. Now those are rudder pedals. That's what you use to steer with. Whoa, straighten it out. Don't go so heavy.
Okay, hey buddy, you know what? I got my own book. I really don't need your help here. I'll read up on it.
You've got a book.
I'm looking at it right now and it says page 3, rudder pedals. You're right.
Oh my goodness, he's trying to read a book and fly at the same time, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know how this is going to work out. Work that nose up a little bit. Oh my
But there's a
goodness.
VIP area
I think I just did.
for you to get in there.
Oh my God. Oh, wait a minute. There goes the book. Oh my gosh, ladies and gentlemen, he just lost his flying manual, so we're going to have to try to work with him here. Again, point that nose down just a little bit. Don't get it too high above the ground. Whoa, easy does it.
I'm doing okay, but I got to have a little more help to see if he does it.
Well, we'll do the best we can. Try to get the wings level and the nose down.
Nose down. How do I do that again?
Push the stick forward a little bit. But no, not quite that much.
Okay, I got it. Now what?
Okay, now, easy does it. There's the runway right in front of you. Whoa, point that nose back down. You're going way, oh no, don't go so high. Oh my gosh, ladies and gentlemen, we're trying to get this guy down on the ground now. Oh my gosh, folks, he's off the aileron, he's off the tower. How are we going to get him back down, folks? We're trying our best. All right, you're going to have to turn that plane around. You're going to have to land on that big runway out in front of you.
I'm a little busy right now. I can't talk.
You're busy right now.
I'm busy to talk to you.
Oh, what are you busy with?
Paperwork.
Paperwork. Again, we're talking about a moving truck, a moving plane. Watch now as he brings it down. Looks like both wheels are... All right, there's the command to lock it down. All right, we're still keeping things going here at the rehearsal day for the 2022 Joint Base Andrews Air and Space Expo, being presented again by Andrews.
Oh my God. I didn't know that.
Straight up, still rolling the aircraft. Watch as he pitches across the top.
Let me go check on her.
Still rolling, still going. Now, points the nose down, builds up a huge amount of airspeed.
Excuse me.
Extra stream back down towards the ground. About 4 G's right there, pulling up over the top. Snap the aircraft once, twice. That's a double avalanche route and not that high off the ground. Patty once again playing back there. It's all happening very quickly. Watch as he pulls back, up the vertical line. Watch as he gets to the top. Airspeed bleeds off to the right there, almost zero, hanging in the sky. Kicks in the left rudder, right back there. Sometimes it's hard to know which way is up and what way is now. Watch this patty. Sugar roll, they're over top. making use of stealth technology in order to remain covert. Let's pick up the if you've ever wondered where those bombs and missiles hide, here is your answer.
We are back on the bus, y'all. We've been here a minute. Headed back to the car. We on the bus. Anyway, hit that like button, share, subscribe, hit that notification. Watch out for some more videos I'm going to, so y'all can get a chance to see what I see. There you go. Alright, I'll be back with another video.
Yeah. DC KOOLAID and Lisa doing challenge on your head top. Yeah, you know what's happening when you tune in. Story times, pranks, and blogging, man. Be a great big family, we the bomb squad. We on that grind to a number with a K, best believe you'll stay. You can chill with the fam like most of y'all do. DC KOOLAID, Lisa, and Nick too. With Charles and Barbie living that YouTube life. We love our fans and supporters, we a family dude. So come on down to Bomb Squad Town, have a seat watching videos, and nobody likes to hate, keep it positive and have a nice day. Oh, I forgot, smash that like button. Bomb Squad, Bomb Squad, Bomb Squad, hey!